Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. I'm Shiralson and today I will tell you people that how to download and install CodeBlock which has built-in GCC compiler. So the thing you have to do is first go to your Google and after that search CodeBlocks download. After that it will lead you to a window where the first link is the download code block, and you just have to click on this link. Now the code block website will be open, and here you can see that the first link is download the binary release. Click on this. Now guys, the thing that is to be discussed is that there are two type of setups. First is the setup for 64-bit operating system and the second is for 32-bit operating system. uh, I will tell you that how you can check whether your computer is 32-bit operating system supported or 64-bit. Just go to my computer and right click on this PC and click on properties. After that you can see that a window has opened in front of me. Here you can see that my operating system is 64-bit. You can check yours. Now I will download the setup according to my operating system. I go to the Chrome. If I want to download the setup with built-in GCC or MinGW compiler, I will just click on that setup in front of that source for or force up. And if your operating system is 32-bit, then come here code blocks 20.00 min GW 32-bit setup. Okay. My operating system is 64-bit, so I will click from either of these two links. I will click on sourceforge.net, and guys see here is the countdown for the download, and now you can see that my download has started now. It will take some time, and guys, now you can see that the setup is installed or downloaded from the website and come in my download folder. Here is the code block setup with 64-bit operating system setup. I will just double click on that setup, and guys, do you want to allow this app from any unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Yes. And next, I agree. Next, I will change its location. I want to keep this in my F drive in install software. I will select the folder and just install it now. It will take some time to install. Hello guys. Now you can see that it is giving me option. Do you want to run the code block now? No, I don't want to run the code block now. I will just click on no and click here in the next. Yes. Now the code block has installed. I will click on finish. After that, we will just go in the folder where we have installed the code block, and you can see that the file has created now. Now I will just go in code blocks and click on min gw, and after that open the bin folder. You can see that the path has come to my taskbar. I will just copy it by pressing Ctrl plus C. Now I have copied the path, and go to this PC, right click on it and go to properties. After that I will click on advanced system settings, and after that I will go to environmental variables. Here you can see that paths, I want to add a new path. uh, the you can enter any path name. For example, I want to give a path name of min gw. It is up to you, whatever you want to give the name, just give the name. And after that, variable value, it is very important. The path you have copied from the my computer, you just have to put it here by pressing Ctrl plus V. After that click OK. You can see that a new path has added to my setup, and I will click OK. OK, and just go to the this folder. Now I will just run my code block. It will take some time to open first time. Now you can see that my code block has functional now, and I will try to make a simple project from code block. In code block, just go to console application. After clicking on create a new project, this type of window will open. Just click on console application and go. And next I want to program in C. Next, project title, for example I want to give a title of first project. Enter, and select the compiler here, GNU GCC compiler, if it is not selected earlier. Finish. Now you can see that my first project has mentioned here. I will just click on this plus button and double click on this main.c, and you can see that my code block has given me a simple program to print hello world. I will just build it. Yes, there is, you can see that there is zero error, zero warning, 0 minute, means my compiler is working properly, and it is not giving me any error. I will now click on run. You can see that guys, my code block has printed now hello world. And if I want to print anything else, like that is my first project in code blocks, then it will I have to build it first, and if it doesn't give me any error or warning, then I have to run it. And the line I have put is printed here in console. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.